Hello everyone and welcome back to TechAvro. Here we make tutorials on topics that might be helpful to you in one way or the other, and today I'm going to be showing you guys on how to add bots to your Discord server. So first of all, before you add bots, you want to make sure you're either the Discord server owner or the server admin. You got to make sure of either one of these two. Once you are the admin, go to this website, top.gg, list top Discord bots. From here you can add any of the bots that you want. Now what bots you want. Now if it's a bot that you want, I'm sorry about that, I had to mute my mic for a bit. So from here you can select any bots that you want, and once you select the bot, all you want to press on is invite, and then after you press on invite, okay, so that bot doesn't exist, or does, I'm not sure. And then from here you want to log in to your Discord account. Once you're done logging in, after that you'll be able to invite the bot to your server, and that's about it. So I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please drop a like, and if you want to see more videos like this in the future, don't forget to hit that subscribe button as well as that notification bell. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.